marks another major milestone in the transformation of Camp Nou, as the stadium's upper structure continues to evolve at an impressive pace. What once looked like isolated construction zones is now beginning to come together into a unified and massive architectural form, especially in the roof section, where progress is becoming impossible to ignore. The most striking development right now is the rapid expansion of the compression ring. Multiple new segments have been successfully installed, forming a growing circular structure that will ultimately support the entire roof system. These segments are not just being placed, they are being precisely aligned and connected with incredible accuracy. Supported by large radial beams extending inward, the structure is now clearly outlining the future shape of the stadium's roof. Each day, this ring becomes more complete, giving a real sense of the stadium's final scale. At the same time, the vertical support system, particularly the massive reinforced pillars, is playing a critical role. These pillars are not only carrying structural loads, but are also acting as anchor points for the roof framework. Workers are actively preparing and strengthening these columns with visible formwork and ongoing concrete operations in key sections, especially around the north goal area. A concrete pump is already in position, signaling that more vertical elements are about to be finalized. Meanwhile, attention is heavily focused on the Lamela system, which is a defining feature of the new facade. A new Lamela panel has recently been lifted into place, continuing the steady expansion across multiple levels. The lower and middle tiers are now largely complete, while installation work on the upper tier is gaining momentum. The lamellas, with their distinct red tones, are starting to give the stadium its iconic modern look. Some panels still have protective coverings, while others are fully exposed, showing slight variations in finish that add depth to the design. Installation efficiency has noticeably improved. Teams are working in a highly coordinated manner, using elevated platforms to position and secure panels with speed and precision. Across several sections, anchor points for Lamela supports are being installed at a rapid rate. These anchors are crucial because they determine how quickly the facade can expand in the coming days. In fact, multiple zones are now fully prepared to receive their first Lamela installations very soon. In the southern corner near the Tribuna, activity is equally intense. Workers are operating on elevated platforms around previously installed beams, likely preparing them for additional structural components related to the roof and facade. Scaffolding is also being assembled in the remaining open areas, indicating that final installations, particularly seating and finishing structures, are approaching their last stages. Another important update comes from the lateral sections of the stadium, where structural reinforcement work is ongoing. Diagonal cross-bracing elements are being installed within square frames, strengthening key parts of the building such as elevator shafts and access cores. These reinforcements are essential for long-term stability and safety, especially as the upper structure becomes heavier with the addition of roof components. Material flow across the site remains consistent and strong. Large structural beams, additional compression ring segments, and heavy cable rolls are continuously being delivered. This steady supply ensures that work progresses without interruption. Welding operations are also underway in various sections, particularly on seating support beams, adding to the overall structural integrity. In the Tribuna section, sandwich panels have now been fully installed, marking the completion of another important phase. Metal elements have been added in front of certain panels, possibly for reinforcement or for attaching future components. Additionally, anti-corrosion coatings are being applied across bolts, joints, and brackets throughout the structure. This protective layer is crucial for ensuring the stadium's durability over time. In one of the final corner zones, preparations for Lamela installation are still ongoing. While significant progress has been made, some upper-tier sections remain incomplete and require further work. However, given the current pace, it is clear that these areas will soon catch up with the rest of the stadium. Overall, the construction at Camp Nou is entering a highly accelerated and coordinated phase. The simultaneous progress in the compression ring, roof support pillars, Lamela installation, and structural reinforcement shows that the project is moving forward with strong momentum. The increasing number of workers, combined with continuous material deliveries and improved installation speed, highlights a well-organized effort to push the stadium closer to completion. What we are witnessing now is not just construction, it's the emergence of a new Camp Nou, one that is rapidly transforming into a modern architectural landmark.